Greetings, students. Today, I would like to talk a little bit about editing strategies after you have written your essay. Let's share the screen. All right. Editing strategies. First, check body paragraphs for topic sentences as the opening sentences in each paragraph. Are these topic sentences supporting your overall thesis? Do they exist? If they don't exist, you may need to write topic sentences. If not, reread your paragraph and ask yourself, what is the overall point in this paragraph? And the overall point you can write out as a topic sentence. As a narrative essay, your topic sentences could be the overall event that happened and the main point of that event. Analyze paragraphs for narrative strategies, setting, plot, description, character development, dialogue, metaphor, etc. Is there anything missing? What narrative techniques could I add in these paragraphs? Next, does my introduction grab the reader's attention? Does it contain enough background information related to the issue? And is the thesis clear? Do my body paragraphs focus on the thesis of the essay? Is there any part of the body paragraph that do not support the thesis? Do I have a self-reflection section within the essay? Do I use a metaphor to connect symbolically to the reader? If the answer is no, then try to create a metaphor. Do I have a call to action or another technique for the concluding paragraph? Next, read your paper out loud. Are there any sentences that do not make sense to the reader? If so, rewrite those sentences. Are there any spelling errors? Are there any punctuation errors, like run-on sentences or sentence fragments? So look specifically for sentence fragments, punctuation errors. Do I accidentally use you or the second person in the essay? How can I fix these errors of second person? You don't want to use second person you in essays. Are there distinct transitions between ideas or paragraphs? What transition words might I use to make the essay flow better? Are there complex sentences throughout the essay? Are there places where the sentences might need revision for more complexity? Is there a variety of sentences throughout the essay? There's nothing wrong with a simple sentence. Sometimes you might have 2 or 3 simple sentences, then you move to a complex sentence, a few complex sentences, move back to a simple sentence. You want variety in your essay. Does the essay contain active verbs? Are there places where I use more passive sentence construction? How can I make these areas more active with interesting verbs? Use a grammar checker from the essay. My suggestion is to use Microsoft Word to check grammar, spelling, and punctuation. At times you might use Grammarly, but realize that this software sometimes changes your sentences too much. Do not allow a software program to change your sentences entirely. You should be the one to change the sentence structure. So use Microsoft Word to correct grammar mistakes, and you can run a grammar check using Microsoft Word. I currently do not support using AI to fix grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Stick to Microsoft Word. Do you use at least one quotation in the essay? Is the quotation interesting? Do you write at least one sentence that comments on the quotation? Do you cite the quotation correctly? Do you have a works cited page for the quotation? You can use a citation generator and ask the generator to use MLA9. Here are 2 places that you can go on the web to generate your citations for you. You also need to understand how to develop a works cited page too, because sometimes the citation generator is incorrect. Sometimes it doesn't capitalize all the words that are supposed to be capitalized, for instance. So you can go to Citation Machine or MyBib as 2 citation generators. Finally, does the paper contain an appropriate heading and page number on the right side of the paper? So here is an example of the MLA heading and MLA header. Your name, your professor's name, the name of the course, then the date, 10 February 2021. and the MLA header of the last name and the first page. Then also you want an interesting or creative title. Here's the title, Analogy of Art. Then there's an indentation of the first paragraph, and the paper is double spaced as well. So that's MLA heading. That's pretty much all I have for you. If you have questions on editing strategies, let me know and I'll help out. Thanks.